sinabi ko. ABS-CBN.
Kaya talaga dalawa.
Pwede rin kayo mag-email ng inyong comments or requests sa asapforyourequest@yahoo.com o kaya mag-post sa aming Facebook wall, facebook.com/asapofficial or sa Twitter, twitter.com/asapofficial.
That is right. At kasama natin ngayon, si Marcelito Pomo. Yes!
Yeah!
The chef! Oh, galing-galing at ang very first ASAP Ultimate Super Dancers ang Campers Champs!
Yeah!
Habang sweet na sweet sila, Paolo at Casey, gusto kong kamustahin ang Campers Champs. Anong feeling na kayo ang first ever winner ng Super Dance?
Happy po eh. Super blessed po namin. Papasalamat po kami sa ASAP family po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. And syempre gusto namin magpasalamat sa LG Electronics. They really know how to make people feel life is good. At pinapagod nila ito sa ASAP Ultimate Super Dances na Campers Champs. They won an LG Appliance Showcase worth 300,000 pesos.
Yes!
Yeah, man.
42 inch. Yes. At 42 inch. 42-inch LCD, a Blu-ray home theater system, greenhouse plus home appliances composed of what? Inverter direct drive washing machine, one inverter aircon, one refrigerator with linear technology, plus one Optimus 2X, the world's first dual-core smartphone certified by the Guinness World Record. Guinness World Record. Alam mo?
Huwag ka ng fraction ng pagbasa.
Dahil dyan bibigyan ako ng LCD TV.
Pero Blu-ray. At mga kapamilya, may bago na naman tayong pakakaabangan. Isang bagong handog sa atin ng ABS-CBN.
That is right, Christina. Kung ano yan? Let's watch this.
Isang simpleng pangarap.